Hi guys, Victoria Husid here with Vicky Consulting, and again let's look at unemployment payments and benefits. So I have to certify again, and let's look. So last payment was issued on 7/28 and it was for $1,548. That's include $600 for each week. Now let's see, supposedly $600 do not exist anymore, but my understanding that with this executive order that President signed, we're gonna get, at least in California, additional $400 starting August 1st. So let's see if we certify, if it's gonna say anything, if it's gonna show anything. Let's do this. Were you sick or injured to work? No. Was there any reason other than sickness that you could not accept a full-time job? No. Did you look for work? Yes. Did you refuse any work? No. Did you receive disability benefits? No. And did you work or earn any money, whether you were paid or not? No. Next. This part we can skip and not fill it up. And do you receive any other income such as following? And my answer is no. And the same for the next week. So were you sick or injured? No. Was any reason you couldn't accept full-time job? No. Did you look for work? Yes. Did you refuse any work? No. Did you receive disability? No. Did you work or earn any money? No. Do you want to pay your taxes? Yes. And if there is any changes to your mailing address? No. In California, due to COVID-19, you don't have to look for work. And did you receive any other type of income? No. Let's see now, review, submit. Review your answers and acknowledge. Check mark here, and you put your zip code right here. So obviously we all heard that on Saturday our president signed an executive order where unemployment has been extended to, not unemployment, additional boost to unemployment payments been extended, and now it's not $600 but it's $400. I went to EDD in California EDD website to see if anything changes. You know, if EDD website put any official changes. And as of right now, today is August 11th, there is nothing on the website. It still shows that February 2 to March 28, it's $167 per week, and then phase 2 from March 29 to July 25th, it's $167 plus $600 additional per week, and then phase 3, July 26 to December 26, it's back to $167 per week. So we are right now in phase 3 since it's August 11, and PUA payments are minimum of $167 per week, and this is it. And what else it says here, that the additional $600 will be added to each PUA weekly benefits amount as a part of Federal CARES Act for claims between March 29 and July 25th. Unless the federal government extends the $600 payments, we cannot pay the extra amount for any weeks. So $600 again have not been extended. However, we are waiting for $400, and then it's not officially on the website. So let's talk about when we're gonna get $400, additional $400. Executive order said that $400 will be received by people starting August 1st. for weeks starting August 1st. So really should be no real gap between $600 and $400. Problem with that now it's $300 from a federal government and another $100 should be substituted by state budget. Remember how long it took for EDD to set up everything with $600 and start paying it and start processing these payments. I expect the same problem happening now with additional $400, so it might be not as fast. We're gonna see $400 in our bank accounts. I assume it would be minimum $167 every week, and then sometime down a few weeks we will receive a lump sum of additional money. As I said, just now we filled out payments with certified weeks for August 1st to August 9th. So once the payment process, let's see what actually comes to the card. And it's probably gonna be tomorrow, so we will come back. I will continue this video tomorrow. We will come back and see how much actually came to the card. I 100% sure it's gonna be 167 and 167, and there will be no $400, and $400 will come sometime later on. But again, we will see tomorrow. I might be wrong, and it's possible that everybody work out the system great and this payment's gonna come now. Let's see that. And as I promised, let's look at the first 2 weeks of August payment. Right now there is no $600, and let's see if there is $400 appeared as a payment. And as you can see, weekly benefit amount is $193, and last 2 weeks is $348. That's $193 minus taxes. There is no $600 payment, there is no $400 payment. And let's go to inbox and see what the actual message says. Regarding weeks August 1st and week starting on August 8th, $38 from each week was paid in taxes. You can go to payment activities, and payment activity will show you, if you click on details, it will show your actual amounts. So you see, there is no additional total additions, no $600, no $400. In regards this $400 that we're supposed to receive, only $300 will be paid by the federal government. It's 75%, and another 25% needs to be, which is $100, needs to be paid by the states. I read yesterday that our governor Newsom already said that there is no money in the budget to come up with additional money, and my understanding that those additional money will not be paid. We're talking about $100 and $300. So this $300 from federal aid consists of some budget. There is a pool of money, and it depends on how many unemployed workers are together in a country. And if each of them gets $300 a week, it's enough. The federal government may only have enough money to pay the enacted $300 in benefits for about 5 weeks. So if we say in August 1st, that about month of August. And if that, really gonna happen, so let's see, again, my understanding that every state needs to enact something and change the system again. And from what I've been reading from articles and hearing, that workers should not expect this money even before September. So it's very interesting to see what's gonna happen. I do not know what's gonna happen. All I know that what you all guys know, what is on TV, what is in our press, and just looking at the systems and see how it's all working out. But as of right now, we're back to our regular unemployment. This unemployment PUA, in this case $193, will expire as of December 26, 2020. So let's see. Continue certify. See if you can find any jobs. Hopefully we're all gonna get better and our economy start working and jobs gonna open up, and we will be able to go to work. Maybe government will come up with something again, but as of right now, this is what it is. Well, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment.